Hello, and welcome back to our series on trading options. My name is Ryan Victorin, and in other videos in this series, we've talked about why people trade options, how they're priced, how to make a trading plan, and some of the most common buying and selling strategies. Now we're ready to look at how you place an options trade at Fidelity. In this video, we're going to show you where to find options contracts to trade, as well as some tools available to help you select your strategy. Then we'll show you how to place the trade you want. You ready? Let's get started. After researching a particular investment and forming an outlook on its price, a starting point for options traders can be the option chain, which you'll find on Fidelity.com, our mobile app, and our advanced trading platforms. The option chain lists all the options contracts that traders can buy or sell on a particular investment, such as a stock or an ETF. It's where you'll find a contract that might be the right fit for your goals and outlook, as well as other factors we talked about in our video on making a trading plan. You can use this tool to filter by calls or puts, and then look at the key details for each contract, including strike price, expiration date, and the premium. That can help you narrow down which contracts match your goals and outlook and to see their prices. Maybe you want to compare 2 or 3 contracts with different strike prices or different expirations and see how that affects the premiums. The option chain shows you all that information, so you'll know how much it would cost to buy an option or how much you'd receive for selling one. If you find a contract that meets your criteria in the option chain, you can place the trade right there. Just click the bid or ask buttons, which will automatically fill in an options trade ticket on Fidelity.com. But maybe you want a little more information before making a decision. If so, you can use other trading tools such as Fidelity's Options Strategy Builder, which offers a step-by-step guide for building and placing an options trade. This tool walks you through the key questions which we covered in our video on creating an options trading plan, such as what's your goal, what's your price outlook, and what's your time frame. And once you've answered those questions, the Options Strategy Builder can show you contracts that might be a good fit. Let's see how it works. Start by entering the symbol of the underlying investment you want. Next, the tool will ask you for your price outlook. That's whether you think the price of the underlying investment will go up, go down, or stay flat over the life of the options contract. Now the tool is going to show you options trading strategies that match your outlook, along with a brief description of each strategy to help you make a decision. And guess what? These are strategies we covered in other videos. Select the strategy you're interested in, and you'll get a snippet of the option chain displaying options contracts you can trade. It's a simplified version of the same option chain we discussed earlier, meant to be a little easier to navigate and find the key details you need. You can compare and contrast different expiration dates and strike prices and see a profit and loss diagram for each contract to help you understand what your maximum gain and maximum risk would be. The tool also shows you your break-even price and calculates the probability of hitting that number, so you can decide what you're comfortable with. After reviewing all that info, if you find a contract that looks like the right fit, you can simply select it and click Review Order. The Review Order screen will display the important details for the contract you selected, including expiration date, strike price, break-even price, and the number of contracts you want, along with your total cost for your trade. If everything still looks good, you can go ahead and proceed to the order ticket. 2 more steps to go from here. The Options Strategy Builder will automatically fill in the fields for the order ticket, and once you've reviewed that information, you can click through for one more chance to preview and place your order. After you've placed your order, you'll receive a confirmation screen displaying the order status, along with quick links to any other orders you placed or your current investment holdings. And you'll also find links to resources to help continue your options education or plan your next trade, like a profit and loss calculator and a probability calculator. So that's the process for placing an options trade at Fidelity. Once that order has been filled, you can find your options position on the options summary page. And be sure to keep an eye out for all kinds of Fidelity resources to help you learn more about options and build your trading confidence. That's all for this video. I've enjoyed guiding you through the world of options during this series, but we're not quite done yet. Our next video will talk about what happens after you place a trade and all the important steps you can take to manage and monitor your options, so stay tuned. In the meantime, if you have any questions about options trading, please drop them in the comments section below and hit that subscribe button so you can get notifications for future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.